This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Want to start your business in New York but don't have time for the red tape? I got you. Today I'm dropping 5 genius hacks to get your LLC and EIN in New York fast, because time is money and we're not here to waste either. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Use expedited filing. New York State is one of the few states that lets you expedite your LLC filing through the Department of State. Standard processing takes about 7 to 10 business days, but with expedited service you can get it done in 24 hours, same day, or even 2 hours, for a fee, of course. Pay $25 for 24-hour service, $75 for same-day service, $150 for 2-hour service. Just include the expedited handling request form with your articles of organization. A pro tip: submit your docs early in the morning for same-day or 2-hour service. Hack 2. File online, but use the right portal. Let's save some time and a trip to the post office. New York doesn't make it super easy like other states, but there are ways to file your LLC online. You just need to know where to look. New York doesn't let you file your articles of organization directly through a fully integrated state system like Delaware or Florida, but you can file online using go.dos.ny.gov. There, you'll upload your completed articles of organization, Form DOS 1336. This is more like a dashboard that walks you through formation steps and connects you to forms, resources, and agency portals. A pro tip: before filing, use the Corporation and Business Entity database to check name availability. Hack 3. Skip the hassle. Pre-prepare your publication requirement. Ah yes, the infamous New York publication requirement. This is the part that trips up a ton of new entrepreneurs, because most states don't have this, but New York still does. Here's what the law says. According to Section 206 of the New York Limited Liability Company Law, within 120 days of forming your LLC, you must publish a notice of your LLC's formation once a week for 6 consecutive weeks in 2 newspapers, 1 daily and 1 weekly. These newspapers must be designated by the county clerk of the county where your LLC is located. Failing to do this, your LLC can be suspended from doing business in New York. No joke. Here's how to hack it. Form your LLC in a cheaper county like Albany. Many formation companies or registered agent services let you use their Albany office address as your business address. Why Albany? Newspaper rates are way cheaper than NYC. In NYC, publication can cost $1,000 plus, but in Albany, you can get it done for $150 to $300. Contact the county clerk before you file. Ask which newspapers they designate. You can't just pick any. Get a price quote from those papers ahead of time. Start preparing your ad in advance. It's a simple notice that includes your LLC name, the county, date of formation, and NYDOS address for service of process. Once the 6 weeks are up, each paper sends you an affidavit of publication. Submit the certificate of publication to the DOS, along with a $50 fee. If you forget this step, your LLC can lose good standing. Here's the hack. Before you file, call the county clerk's office where your LLC is located and ask which newspapers they designate. Some counties, like Albany, are cheaper than NYC for publication. So many founders use a registered agent in Albany to save hundreds. Hack number 4. Apply for your EIN online. Instantly. Your EIN is like your business's social security number. You need it to open a bank account, hire employees, or file taxes. But here's the trick. Don't wait for snail mail. Hack it like this. Go to the IRS EIN Assistant online file as a starting a new business. Boom, you get your EIN instantly. No PDF waiting, no callbacks, no confusion. Just make sure you complete the form in one session, or it resets. Hack 5. Use a professional formation company like Busy, formerly Inkfile. Don't want to deal with forms legal language or newspaper ads? Let someone else do it. They often do it cheaper than hiring an attorney and faster than figuring it out yourself. BZ is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Once you click the first link in the description, you'll be taken to the same page as me. You can start the formation process immediately, but first let me show you the package that BZ offers. BZ is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for its service, which no other company offers. You'll see 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The first thing worth mentioning is that you have to pay the state fee. The state fee is what New York charges for opening an LLC, which is $205. BZ is not making any income from this fee. It goes directly to the state. Even if you use the state website, the fee remains the same. New York offers 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The price for each differs, and I'll explain why. To see the full comparison, select the entity type and choose the state. Each package has its own set of services, which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Basic package is the most affordable option. BZ charges $0 for their service in this package. You only need to pay the $205 state filing fee. This package includes preparing and filing the Articles of Organization, a free registered agent for 1 year, an online access dashboard, a business banking account offer, and a business tax consultation. No other service provides a free registered agent for the first year without any charge like BZ does. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend because it covers everything you need to start a business legally. It includes everything in the Basic package, plus additional services like obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, an operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, a business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553 filing, and more. All these services, except for tax consultation, are required by the state to file an LLC successfully in the U.S. Filing these on your own can be challenging, so this package simplifies the process. The Premium package costs $299 and includes everything in the Standard package, plus 4 additional services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, a domain name with a business email, and a free first-year business phone number. These extras are helpful if you're in a hurry to complete your LLC filing or want added convenience. Business contract templates, valued at $150, include agreements like non-compete clauses, NDAs, and employment contracts. Free next-day filing ensures your documents are processed as fast as possible, although the final timeline depends on the state. The domain name and business email enhance your business's legitimacy by providing a professional email address linked to your company. The Standard package includes everything you need to legally launch a business. This is the package I strongly suggest for the majority of business owners as it covers all that is necessary. BZ also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of Relays, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Now, if you've been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil, in which case you are, in any position, defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Starting a business doesn't have to be stressful, especially if you use these 5 hacks to get it done fast and smart. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment if you have questions.